Okay, guys, so if you notice recently, I've been trying to solve some of the problems that most of you have through the videos I'm creating right now. The last one I made was about how you can turn your already existing experience into a remote work experience. And today I'm going to share with phone only gigs. Like for those of you that always tell me I don't really have a laptop, then make sure to watch this video because these gigs you can do them from the comfort of your home. And the best part is you get paid in US dollars to do some of these gigs. So if you're interested, the first one is testing websites and apps. This is a very important job because companies spend a lot of time and resources to build websites and apps, and they can't just launch it without having it tested so they know if it's actually working the way they want it to work and to meet the need of the potential users. So they will always recruit people to come and test it firsthand before they get to launch, and that is where you come in. The best part is you can use your phone to actually do some of these gigs. All you have to do is just to follow the instructions that they are going to give you, and then you can start doing the job. You can earn anywhere from $10 to $25 per hour doing this type of job. And if you want to learn where you can find this job, you might want to check out this video. Talking about building websites and apps, this is one of the skills that will help you to stand on your own and work remotely regardless of where you are, which is what a lot of you are interested in, working remotely. But the problem is you guys have not really positioned yourself to. So that is why I have partnered with Interaction Foundation Design, which is number one when it comes to online design schooling. They are a group of experts that teach people to learn how to build websites and apps. So if you have interest in learning this skill, instead of going to bootcamp to waste your money and they will not teach you things that are industry standard and the people teaching some of these things are not even experts in them, why not take advantage of this opportunity and save some money because they're going to give you some percentage discount once you sign up with them. And the best part is they will give you every support you need, and their certificate is globally recognized. Take advantage of this opportunity through my partnership and click the link in the description to get started learning this skill. That way you can work remotely. The best part is you don't need to learn how to code to be able to do this. The second gig you might want to consider is virtual assistant. This is basically where you use your phone to do things like appointment setting, book reservations and stuff like that, even manage social media. But this is one of the things you can actually use your phones to do to assist your clients. But you have to know that working with your phone will limit you. A laptop will make it more convenient, but a phone can be a starting point. So if you're interested, you might want to check out virtual assistant. The third one is customer support or chat moderation support. This is where you chat with your customers or you communicate with customers. You attend to their needs, answer their pressing questions, and be able to give them help when they need it. So most times companies hire people that can actually do this for their customers. What you have to do is just to station at a particular post and keep replying to messages and giving out information. So this job do not really require much, and to find jobs like this you can go to websites like Mod Squad. There is also Pens or CrowdGen. You can find something like that to be able to get started doing this job, or you can also find these jobs on LinkedIn because I used to see some of them there on LinkedIn. You can apply and you can use your phone to do this chat. However, because I will not skip anything, I will have to also tell you that while doing this job you have to have other plans because AI agents have almost taken this job already. Like people are building agents that can take calls, that can chat and stuff like that. So you have that in mind as well. Fourth one I want to talk about is AI data rater and evaluation. Now I've talked about this before in one of my videos where I talked about AI evaluation jobs. This is basically where you are assigned to go through the responses that AI gives out, especially when they are developing AI tools. You go through the responses or the data it gives to know if it's accurate or not, or if there is something that needs to be fixed. So this is job of AI data raters or evaluation, or to check out the quality of the output of the AI that is being under production, so you know how these things is performing and if it's doing what is expected of it to do. So this job will pay you anywhere from $8 to $20 per hour, and you can find this job on places like Telus Digital. You can find it on Sigma AI. You can also find it on CrowdGen. These are the places where you can find jobs like this and get started from the comfort of your home. So if you're interested, you might want to check it out. So another job you might want to consider is social media management. Now this is highly in demand, especially by businesses. They need someone who can be at a station to monitor their social media platforms, monitor how people are interacting with their content, requests from people, and how everything is going, so that they make sure that their brand is very much represented and nothing is going wrong. So these do not really require much from you. You can actually run through this job using your phone without having to have a laptop. So you can check it out, and you can find it on places like LinkedIn. There's Mod Squad also, where you can find chat moderation or social media management jobs. And of course, people advertise on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok. So that is where businesses always look for some of their social media managers. So you have to be active in all these places to find these jobs and start doing them from home. So if you check some of these jobs that I mentioned, it's something you can do long term and you can have an agreement with them. It's not something that is short term or something that you can do at a go and leave. Like things like some of these micro tasks that people do, like playing games to earn money or taking surveys. No, this is not that type of job, but you can actually do things like that by going to some of the websites like Free Cash to look for survey, or I have a lot of videos, you can check it out, where you find some of these jobs that are micro tasks that you can actually do from the comfort of your home. But the problem with them is that they will not really pay you that much and they don't really come always. Now the next one you have to consider is AI training jobs. This is one that a lot of people seem to be interested right now, because on this job all you have to do with your phone is to record yourself. Sometimes they may do things like video annotation or image annotation, using it to train AI, or you can gather data, to train AI. So, but if you must work with your phone, you have to know that you will be limited. So, but if you have a laptop, it's going to help you go a long way. So, these are the things that you can consider if you just have your phone, so you don't really stay left out. You can start making money no matter how little. So, if this video was helpful, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. I really appreciate you all for your support so far. And if you want to make job application, I've prepared a 12-for-1 job application bundle that can help you from the process of looking for a job to the process of applying for an interview, so and stand a better chance of getting the job. So if you're interested, you might want to grab one with the link in the description of this video. And if this video was helpful, please don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.